Hi everyone, have a nice day. I just want to say thank you to Sir William Ring to send me on May 15, 2026 on my PayPal. So thank you so much Sir William Ring to share your blessings. I just want to know you that I really appreciate that you send me this money, 6,000 pesos each, much, but thank you so much. I use this money to help a family whose house burned down and lost everything. So thank you so much, Sir William Ring, to share the blessings and the perfect time because a family house burned down. It happens on May 15, exactly the date, but different time. So we found out that where's the home and suddenly totally damaged us and nothing, destroyed everything. No save the things, even the clothes, everything, no foods. So that's why I decided to use this money to help whose family burned down. So because I buy some foods for them because the mother of the two kids are pregnant, and then her husband is going to Manila to work to support his family. So that's why I decided to give some foods for them, most of the kids, and the mother is pregnant. I'm a teeny tiny, but she's teeny tiny than me. So thank you so much for your blessing. More blessings to come in your life, Sir William Ring. God bless you more. Thank you so much.
At sana maintindihan mo, hindi kita ginawang pansamantala. Hindi ikaw ang naging takas, ikaw ang naging pahinga. Hindi kita minahal para lang may makalimutan. Kinalimutan ko ang kahapon para ikaw ang tuluyang mahalin. Sa dami ng sugat, ikaw ang naging dahil. At sana maintindihan mo, hindi kita ginawang pansamantala. Hindi ikaw ang naging takas, ikaw ang naging pahinga. Hindi kita minahal para lang may makalimutan. Kinalimutan ko ang kahapon para ikaw ang tuluyang mahalin. Sa dami ng sugat, ikaw ang naging dahil. At sana maintindihan
Nasunugan niya. Dito ka to. Dito sila dito dati sila nakatira.
Ito ano namin ba?
Dito, look. Dito sila. Yung maliit nilang kubo dito. Yan. Wala na silang bahay.
Lahat ng gamit namin, no?
Lahat ng gamit. Tapos buntis pa siya. My God. Kana, nakatawa ito. Ihatid ko ikaw sa iyo. This is the...
Sinalo ko naman kita. Basta
Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Kain ka.
Thank you, Sir Mike.
Thank you, Sir Mike. Thank you, Sir Mike.
Sir William Ring. Thank you so much. Home before. So that's why. Look. Come on.
Sa bundok na, bundok.
Bundok. We're going to the mountain.
Bundok na, bundok. Oh, sabi ko, Sir Mike, bundok.
Oh my God. So, hope you guys just foods, but I lost everything. That's why they need like clothes for them, most for the kids, the plates, all their papers, birth certificate, everything for their home is lost, everything. And his wife and her wife and her husband, sorry, and her husband going to the Manila for work to support for them. So that's why not so lucky that their home burned out and lost everything. Oh my God. I need to bring them, follow them, this food for her parents' home. So that's why we're going to the mountain. Heavy, so that's tired to carry. That's why I feel sad for them, because she's pregnant, having 2 kids. The other 1 kid is her parents, her mother home. So little bit need to walk, not too much, but at least share your blessing. Thank you so much, Sir William Ring, for your share your blessings. Thank you for the blessings, and I use it whose house burned out and lost everything. Thank you so much, Sir William, for share your blessings. God bless you more. She's pregnant, so that's why. Feel tired na. Oh, nag-ubo ka? Nag-check up ka na? Sa sa ma'am? Sa nurse? Ah. Pero may vitamins ka?
Wala na yan.
Wala na yan. Pero kaipuhan mo ma-vitamins.
Ano ba?
That's thank you so much. So Sir William, again, thank you so much. God bless.